In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark with Microsoft Edge. First, open the web page you want to save. This step is essential because it sets the foundation for your bookmarking process. You will want to navigate to your preferred website, whether it's a news article, a blog, or a resource page. As the page loads, take a moment to appreciate the content you wish to revisit later. This action will display the information you want to save clearly on your screen. By focusing on the specific page, you ensure that when you create the bookmark, it will lead you directly back to this exact content. Once you've found the ideal page, you're ready to move on. Next, press the Control key and the letter D simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to open the bookmark dialog box. You will see a small window appear, allowing you to customize your bookmark. Knowing this shortcut saves you time compared to navigating through menus. The dialog box will show you the title of the page and provide a space for you to enter a name for your bookmark. This step is crucial because it allows you to personalize how you identify this bookmark in the future. Remember, using shortcuts like this can speed up your workflow significantly. After that, enter a name for the bookmark. This name should be descriptive enough to help you remember what the bookmark contains. For example, if you are bookmarking a recipe, you might name it chocolate chip cookies. This clarity will make it easier to find later. As you type, notice how the title in the dialog box updates in real time. This visual feedback reassures you that you're making the right changes. A well-named bookmark can save you from searching through countless links later on. From there, choose a folder for your bookmark if desired. This step is optional, but it can greatly enhance your organization. If you have multiple bookmarks, grouping them into folders helps keep everything tidy. You might have folders for different topics like work, hobbies, or travel. By selecting a folder, you ensure that your bookmarks are sorted logically. This method of organization makes it simpler to locate specific bookmarks when you need them. It is a small step that can lead to a more efficient browsing experience. Now click Done. This final action confirms your choices and saves the bookmark. Once you click Done, you will see a confirmation appear indicating that the bookmark has been successfully created. This reassurance is vital because it confirms that your work has been saved. You can now easily access this bookmark from your favorites bar or your bookmarks menu whenever you need it. With these steps completed, you have successfully created a bookmark in Microsoft Edge. This process allows you to save valuable web pages for future reference. Remember, bookmarking is not just about saving links, it's about creating a personalized space for your online resources. By following these steps, you've taken control of your browsing experience and made it much more efficient. Now you are ready to explore more features in Microsoft Edge. Bookmarking is a fundamental skill that enhances your online experience. Use it wisely to keep your favorite websites at your fingertips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to bookmark with Microsoft Edge.